I do them myself, or I try to. It's a bit time-consuming and stressful and confusing. Hnry does it all for me. Lots of spreadsheets and calculators, and my receipts are in a shoebox somewhere, I think. It's all in the app with my tax rate calculated, adjusted and paid, and my income tracked as it comes through Hnry. I also just upload any expenses I have when I make a purchase, and they're reviewed as I go so I can biff those receipts in the bin. Stressful. I have to estimate how much money to put aside for tax, so sometimes I end up with a tax bill. Well, usually I end up with a tax bill. Easy. They send me an email to double check everything looks right, and the rest is done for me. It's just like any other time of the year. It eats into my work and family time, so really costs a lot, financially and personally. It's actually pretty reasonable. 1% plus GST of my self-employed income for everything. If I'm not earning, I'm not paying, and it's capped so I never pay more than $1,500 plus GST per year. Quite a bit of time. Maybe an hour and a half? Nah, it would be great to get my life back. Hell yes, I am not going back.